In this one we'll discuss about how to calculate the loan, like amortization schedule of a loan. And I have taken over here home loan for the convenience purpose, and the loan schedule or the calculation of EMI, everything remains same in all the loans. Like in different type of loan, we have got secured, unsecured, different type of loans are there. They follow almost the similar type of amortization schedule, or say for example the EMI. Okay, so in this one I have taken the first of all the interest rate per annum of different banks from bankbazaar.com. You can also see this one here, like Kotak Mahindra Bank, Union Bank of India. I have not considered in my calculation the processing fee part. Okay, so 6.75, 6.8, 6.85, 6.9, 6.9 by HDFC, ICICI Bank. Okay, I am not here to compare anything with different banks, how the loan is, what is the loan structure or processing fee. I am not going to. This is completely for the academic purpose, and the purpose of that one is that how we can understand that what is the different component of a loan schedule or amortization schedule, and how it is being calculated. Okay, and I'll use the using the Excel, I'll explain that one. Here I have taken like any loan calculation, they have got a loan calculator over there. Like you have to just write the loan amount. I have put over here, by default it was there 25 lakhs, and tenure was 20 years. I put over there. Rate of interest 6.9. Maybe in the same bank also different type of rate of interest would be there for different segment of this one. So that is not our research. Now that is not the topic of this particular session. Okay, so here what is they are saying that monthly EMI, that is EMI stands for equated monthly installment, means every month you will be paying this much of amount, 19,233, and principal amount, that is the loan that you have taken, is 25 lakhs. In that one, in the total 20 years, the tenure has been selected as 20 years. In 20 years, principal amount would be 25 lakhs and interest amount would be 21 lakh 15,846. So total amount comes about 46 lakhs 15,846. Okay, so you may think that okay, this is a very big amount, but we have discussed about the present value of annuity in my last session. There I have discussed about this thing. So EMI is 19,233. Okay, I'll use over here in this this is G46, that means G, and this way 46 is the row number. Okay, so here it is G46. I'll name this one as, and I'll go to this one, this section, and here I'll write EMI, and then after writing I'll press enter. So here when I am writing this one, I can write this amount. Okay, it is not coming as G46. Okay, and then after into 12. Okay, suppose let us take this way. I am writing over here 19,233, and I will write this one. It is coming G47. G and 47 is the row number. So multiplied with 12. Okay, so here also the same amount is coming, but thing is that here it has been means it would be more easier for the user, or maybe for other users, or maybe for the whenever you are using the same thing for the next time also, you will be you can understand that why you have taken this one. So this way you can name the sale name by like instead of G46 47, you can name that one as anything as per your convenience. So I have named this one, and here I have calculated that yearly this much would be the EMI. Okay, so that would I have written over here. Okay, that is the payment is 2,30,792. Interest rate is 6.9. Okay, it is 6.9 from here. Year, that is 20%. Okay, then Excel has got one built-in function whereby you can calculate this present value, means on today's date what is the value of this one. Okay, present value. Then after I press enter. Okay, then after I'll write the interest rate. Okay, here I have already defined this cell earlier to save the time, and then after this is just like EMI I have typed over here, and there I have, then after year. Okay, NP year, that is year. Okay, after that payment is how much. Payment is, I have to write minus. Okay, in case of this one, then after I'll type this one. Okay, then comma 0 comma 0. Okay, then after I'll close the bracket and I'll press enter. So how much it is coming? It is coming 24,64,133. that is, what is your principal amount? Principal amount is 25 lakhs and it is coming 24,64,133. Okay, so this way we can say that means we are not, the financial institution is not taking a big amount, rather as per the present day calculation, if you calculate, it is coming less than that of your principal amount also. So 6.9 is a good amount by seeing. And now I have just typed copied this one from the website of HDFC. The 20 years they have calculated based upon this one. Okay, the amortization schedule is given over here. Opening balance is 25 lakhs. EMI means whatever EMI remains constant, that is whatever amount we have calculated over here, the annually 230,792. Okay, 19,000, some 4 rupees difference over here. Okay, it should be 230,796. Okay, 230,796. Here this amount is there. Then after interest paid is this much on the annual basis. Principal paid on the annually also, this has been calculated. Then after, from the 25 lakhs the principal amount is being deducted, and that remains the closing balance over here. Okay, similarly in the that means 25 lakhs minus 60,000, it comes 24 lakhs some amount, 24 lakhs, nearly 40,000 something coming here. Similarly, the from here, that is from 24 lakhs 39,800, here 64,000 we are deducting. In this way we are finding this thing. Okay, so we are here the what are the different segments over there. One is EMI, another is interest paid, and whatever is principal amount, and then after based upon the closing balance. So for calculate that one on the manual basis, this is the formula, that is EMI equal to principal into interest divide upon 1 minus 1 plus I to the power minus n. Okay, so I, how I will calculate the I will calculate equal to, okay, I equal to 0.069 upon 12. Okay, so that is 0.0579. okay, and then after by interest per month I will calculate this one, and then after 1 plus I, for getting this one I am just writing this one on the stepwise format, equal to 1 plus this one. Okay, then this one I have to calculate the minus n. Minus n is for how many months is 240 months. Okay, so I'll write equal to a built-in function in the spreadsheet power. Okay, and then I'll write this one comma 240. So I got, and then after for this part I'll calculate this way, equal to 1 minus this one. Yes, it is minus 240, and then after principal into interest, I'll calculate this one. Principal is here 25 lakhs. Here also I have said that I have defined this one, multiplied with I is this one. Okay, so it is coming 14,375 is PI. Okay, and now I'll calculate the EMI. EMI would be equal to 14,375 upon this one. So this is 19,232. Okay, let me round up this figure. Here it is coming 19,000. Monthly EMI is coming 19,233. I'll just round up this one by format, and then after I'll write I'll go to the number part. In the number I'll just reduce the decimal part. Okay, and that, and then I am getting this one is 19,233. So it is equated monthly installment. That means it will remain same throughout the tenure. Okay, so this one I'll just, after typing this one, I'll just drag this one for the 10 months. I'll type over here. Okay, then after that I have to calculate the interest part for the first month. So interest part, how I'll calculate, I'll just equal to the whatever amount is that amount multiplied with I is this part. Okay, let us make this one also, let us format this thing, equal to format cell number, and this one let us make 3 units. Okay, so now it has, okay, so after this principal amount I can calculate. How I'll calculate EMI minus the interest, that will be giving me this principal amount. Then closing balance would be how much, equal to closing balance is how much is total amount is 25 lakhs. Okay, minus principal. Okay, so thus I found out the closing balance for my first month. Similarly for the next month, the interest I will be calculated this one, that is principal, into my interest is this much. Okay, then after this will be EMI minus, for the second month we have to calculate this one, and the closing balance would be this, the closing balance of the previous month minus the principal amount. Okay, After typing this one, now I can drag this one for the remaining. I have just for the illustration purpose only 10 months I have calculated. You can calculate for what happened. Interest is this much. Okay, so interest, what I have to do is that I have to make this one, I have to make this one constant. So how I can make this one constant? I will just select this O9, O and 9 is here. Okay, and then after I will press function and F4. Okay, I'll freeze this particular cell. Okay. So now if I will drag, you will find that it will be giving a proper output. Okay, because what earlier it was doing, just I will control Z and I'll show you. So it was showing that O10, then up to O11, O12, like that it was showing. Okay, so instead of that one, what I have done is that I have freed this one O9, or I have made this one as constant. Okay, after doing this one, now this thing is coming in a proper way. Okay, so for calculation of EMI in the so this way I can calculate the all the 48 months. Okay, so for calculation of EMI using this this is on the manual method, means by pen and paper you can calculate this way the EMI for different months. Okay, so but Excel has got a different what you call the built-in functions. Okay, so here this for calculation of EMI, what we have to do is that we'll write over here PMT, just press the tab after writing this one, then annual interest rate. Okay, annual interest rate by payments per year, comma, then after year, okay, year into payment per year. Okay, payments per year, comma, then after amount, that is 25 lakhs. I have calculated the EMI is 19,233. Manually also it has come 19,233. Here also it has come 19,233, and in the case of from our website source, there also it is 19,233. Okay, so now once I got this one, then okay, now you can see there is no change happening over there. Okay, I do not have to make it fixed one. Okay, so once this has been done, then after I have to put the formula for the interest calculation. For interest calculation, what I will do is that there is again one predefined formula function over there, IPMT. Okay, then after rate of annual interest rate is this one, then divided by payments per year. Okay, then after this one, that is J19. I'll write J19 because okay, this one, okay, that is the month number I have written over here, month number, and then after year into payment per year multiplied with payment per year, this one, then what is the amount, 25 lakhs, and then I'll press this one. This is the interest. Here also you can see 14,375. After doing this one, again I will just drag this one. Okay, is here, it should be J19, and instead of IPMT, here what I have to write is that PPMT. Oh, sorry. Okay, principal I have calculated. Then after closing balance would be this amount minus or plus, already minus figure is coming over here, so plus this principal, so this way it will be giving this one. Okay, so now I got this interest over here, 14,375, principal as 4858. Okay, so EMI is 19,233, so I'll write over here 19,233 multiplied with 12, 230,796. Okay, here it is coming over here, some rounding up, some issues are there, because of which 4 rupees difference is coming. 230,796 is coming over here for 12 months. Okay, similarly, so this one is correct for all the 12 months. Now interest will calculate 14,375 equal to 14,375 into 12. How much it is coming? It is coming 17250. Okay, and then after principal is coming equal to 4858 multiplied with 12. It is coming 58,296. Okay, so these figures are not matching. So now, but this EMI is coming same. So what we have to do now is that we have to calculate this one for the whole 48 months. So or for 212 into 20, that is 240 months, but for the illustration I will be using only the 4 years, and after that we'll match out that whether these values are correct or not. Okay, so what is happening over there, if you will see over here, this interest is not remaining the same, like 14,375, then after it is coming 14,347, 14,319. Here also principal amount is also, it is principal amount, slowly it will go on increasing, and this amount would be in a decreasing mode. Okay, so we'll calculate this one for the principal and interest. It will remain the, this thing will remain the same for the, I'll just drag the for the second months. Okay, but for calculation of closing balance, this one plus this principal amount. Okay, and after finding out this thing, what I'll do now, I'll just select all this and then I'll drag out for the complete 48 months. Okay, now for each year, because here the EMI is given on the 12 months basis, interest is also 12 months or the annual basis. So for calculation of that one, what I'll do is that I'll add up the EMI over here, that is some EMI value would be for calculated for 12 months. Okay, 230792, then after interest, principal and balance. Okay, now let us see whether these values are matching or not. 230792, 60,172, 60,000. Okay, so principal is 60,172, principal amount is 170. Yes, this is a mistake that I have done. So this is principal, and this is the interest paid. Okay. So principal is coming as 60,172, and then after principal is 60,172, interest is 170,621, and closing balance I have to write over here, closing balance equal to, this is the closing balance, that is under 12 months. Okay, so 2439,828, 2439,828 is the closing balance. Okay, now after calculation for the first year, now I'll just copy this one. I'll copy for this particular cell and I'll just paste over here. Okay, if you'll click over here, it will be showing. Okay, for year 3 also I'll calculate, I'll paste it. And then after year 4 also I'll paste it over here. If you'll see over here, sum of K, I'll double click over here. See, from 36 to 48, and that is from 37 to 48 months. Over here, similarly, interest is also calculated for 37 months to 48 months. Similarly, principal is also calculated for 37 months to 48 months. Balance is, this was the balance. Okay, so this way we have calculated the for the 4 years, and let us see 4 years whatever the value is coming. 4 year, how much? 2306323, 2306323, 230 for the year 4, 2306323, year 3, 2306323 is for the year 3. Year 4 is 2232, 2232, then 357 is, this value is also coming. Okay, principal value is also coming 73966, 73966. You can check over there, 73966 for the 4th year. Interest also this way it has been given. Okay, principal amount also 156826. Let us see, 156826, 156826. Okay, so this way we have calculated for the 4 years this as per the amortization schedule of that one. Okay, and this value also you can match this thing. Okay, and thus we have calculated, we can prepare the amortization schedule of a any loan amount. If we are getting, then we can find out that what is this amortization schedule. So what happens is that there is some pre-closure charges. So when pre-closure charges is that whatever closing balance is there, based upon that one only the pre-closure charge, means if you are closing the loan after 10 years, then you have paid the maximum part of your interest over here. Okay, so after 10 years onwards, you can find over here the interest is going on a downward. It was initially 1 lakh yearly basis 1,70,000 something. Here it is coming down to 8,399 in the last year. Okay, so pre-closure thing, if you have the availability of the fund, then that is a different issue. Otherwise, you have to be careful for that one. You can just you type over here amortization schedule of home loan. Just I have typed over here. Then after it will show you this thing, HDFC amortization schedule. You can just go over there and you can show home loan calculator. These values are there. 25 lakhs, that example that I have used over here. Okay, what is EMI calculator, what is EMI, all that one is in detail, it has been given over there. Okay, this is the home loan amortization schedule that I have used over there. Okay, interest paid on the yearly basis and principal paid on the yearly basis, what is the closing balance, opening balance. Okay, so now I have, in my calculation I have not taken this opening balance, I have taken only this closing balance part. This one also it can be prepared. Okay, so